If you guys have ever used the internet or, talked to human beings, you've likely come across this disgusting, terrible phenomenon generally known and referred to as other people's opinions. Now, here's the thing, right? Other people are not me. Therefore, their opinions can't be always correct about literally everything. And a lot of these opinions are stupid and wrong. But one opinion, a political opinion one may say, that is brought up a lot is that the leader of whichever fucking country they live in is an incompetent buffoon. Now, obviously, I personally don't hold any radical ideas about states or the leaders of countries. Now, I can't tell you whether or not every single world leader is an incompetent buffoon. That's not something I can or I am willing to do. But what I am completely willing to do is to say, hey, what if they were dumb? What if they weren't only dumb? What if they had complete power over the nation and they were the most incompetent, moronic bastards ever? So I went ahead and made that. Also, yeah, I'll address the elephant in the room in tomorrow's video. Now, let me explain how I did this because it is absurdly fucking simple, right? I am not an actually good programmer because I am severely fucking retarded. What I am good at is making things that just barely work to get me YouTube views. So what I really did isn't make an AI, no, that's just clickbait for the thumbnail. It really is just a completely random chance generator. So what I actually went ahead and did is just made a bunch of variables for country and what action it's gonna do against country and how that country will respond. It's going to be Estonia. I say Estonia is going to choose to declare war on the country of Malta, for example. Malta would then have a choice to either not fight back or just decline the war, because I made them able to do that, because why the fuck not? And yeah, so I went ahead and did that. I didn't do any test runs, so the thing you're just about to see is the first try ever, and this result is exactly and definitely what would definitely, absolutely, definitely happen if all world leaders in Europe were severely retarded. Just actually just completely ignore that. Some bug must have happened in the code. I mean, Ukraine would never be able to invade Russia. Even in a world, I mean, like leaders being incompetent, yeah, but obviously Putin's immune to that, because he's a great leader. He would never make a mistake. This video is canceled. I hate this video. This video sucks. Unsubscribe and dislike. Thank you. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video. It was a pretty short video, especially for how long I haven't uploaded, but I'll be explaining everything in tomorrow's video. Also, you guys should definitely subscribe to my second channel. I'm going to be posting like real life videos and Minecraft videos on there if you like that kind of shit. I have a subreddit, I have an Instagram, and then I have Twitter. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and like it. Leave a positive comment for the algorithm. And subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.